So this is a demonstration on using Autoglym fast glass, which is this product here, same thing. So what I do is spray on clean microfiber, work it in circles, leave it to dry a little bit, flip the microfiber over like so, and then just go over it again. And it's always better, if you can, to wear gloves, because the oils, natural oils in your skin, when it's on the microfiber, especially when you flip it round, it might leave it a little bit smeary, believe it or not. So it just eliminates that, and then just give it a final wipe down, and that's pretty much what I do on the inside and the outside when I'm doing glass. So that is the Autoglym fast glass. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Please watch some of the other uploads, would be very much appreciated. Thank you.